Welcome, here I've got Xiaomi Mi 10T and I'm gonna show you how to allow the camera app to scan QR codes at this device. So let's start by tapping on the camera button to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. From here let's go to the right corner, and when we tap on this button we get access to more options about the camera we can manage. Now let's move to the left to this one. When we pick it, we can open the advanced camera settings, and here we have the scan QR codes option, so by using this button we can easily turn it off and turn it on like that as we need. And of course I suggest you to keep this turn it on because this is the best way and easiest way to scan QR codes at this device. When you have this, you can do it by just putting QRs inside the standard photo mode with the rear camera. And that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.